Hello, and welcome to the 10th part of the SWORD ITS Best Practice Pattern series. In this part, we'll be looking at monitoring within Azure Synapse Workspace. Azure Synapse is part of Microsoft's cloud data platform, and monitoring this resource is a key part to managing day-to-day operations. There are many features and capabilities within Azure that allows us to specifically maintain and monitor the key components of Synapse, such as data flows and pipelines. The feature called Monitor in Azure Synapse helps keep track of all activities in your Synapse workspace, including the historical log of activities. In this best practice pattern, we will discuss how to monitor pipelines, SQL requests, integration runtimes, and Spark applications. Selecting Pipeline Runs displays the triggered or scheduled and the debug manual pipelines. Additional information is available by clicking on the pipeline name. Each pipeline activity will have details like activity name, activity type, execution start time, execution duration, execution status, resources consumed by a pipeline, the integration runtime that is used to execute the pipeline, the execution run ID for each activity for a more log check, and an error message beside the failed activity for troubleshooting purposes, allowing you to rerun the failed activity if needed. Selecting SQL requests will show you all the SQL script activity in the workspace. The information available includes time of execution, duration, and the SQL query. The best practice is to monitor for performance issues, failure, suspended, and running queries. Selecting Apache Spark applications will show you all the job activity in the workspace. The information includes details such as duration of the job, numbers of rows processed, data read, and data written. More details on the different statuses like failure and cancelled is available in the diagnostics and logs of the job. The best practice is to monitor status, issues, and progress of the jobs. Selecting integration runtimes will show you all the IR in the workspace. The information available on the IR includes status, running or available, type of IR, Azure or self-hosted, subtype, private or public, and region. Selecting activities will list all the pipelines that have used the IR for computing. The best practice is to monitor the pipeline runs for performance issues, failure, and suspended pipelines. Thank you for listening, and please look out for our next best practice pattern coming soon.